Boom, we're streaming now. Make sure everything's going well. What's going on, guys? Angel here, Begin Crypto. Good to see you guys in the house today. Got a lot to talk about. Is Cardano ready to move? Is Cardano ready to finally freaking move? I'm actually putting out a TikTok later that's going to be about Cardano not moving. Cardano has essentially been a stable coin. It is up to $1.22 today, up 1%, which is big for our portfolio, guys. If you guys didn't know, our portfolio, our 2K to 1 million challenge, our biggest holding is Cardano. We have 1,800 Cardano. We actually took, we were actually at, I think we were at 2,800 Cardano. However, we took it was probably right around $900 or $950. We put it into Vechain, and that turned into $1850 right now. So XRP won't go to 20. I think it'll go to 5. Yeah, my pick was $950. I thought I was going to 10x from where it was at 95 cents, but I don't see it really going. I don't see it going crazy. Thoughts on Engine Top? Yeah, Engines. I think Engines Top is still pretty massive. What's the best crypto to convert into altcoins? BTC, USD. I like USD. I like USDC. I use USDC. That's just me. But yeah, like I said, convert altcoins into anything that's stable. Even Bitcoin's a little more stable. So, and as long as you think it's going in the right direction, it should go in the right direction. But normally I put it to a stable coin if that's just me. So what's going on, Sunny? XRP. Man, I know XRP's pumping. A lot of people talking about it. So, I will talk about it today. Make sure you guys go ahead, smash the like button, guys. And we're going to go ahead and get started here today. So, guys, the intro and announcements today. Make sure you guys, like I said, go ahead, join us on YouTube, Facebook. We have a free Discord group you guys can join on TikTok or on YouTube as well. Make sure you guys join the Discord group. Final announcement as well. Make sure you guys join the giveaway. We're giving away $500, guys. $500 of your favorite altcoin once the Begin Crypto YouTube channel hits 5,000 subs. I think we're at 1.33 right now. So we're going to hit 5K. We'll go ahead and give away $500 of your favorite altcoin, possibly Vechain, possibly XRP. Please don't let it be XRP, but possibly XRP. So that's where we're at there. We also just started a Patreon yesterday, I believe, or the day before, just a couple days ago. We have Patreon if you guys want to join that as well. I was talking in the Discord group today with one of the moderators in there, Rico. I don't know if Rico's in the house right now. Rico, go ahead and say what's up in the chat if you're in the house. But we were talking a little bit about adding something to the $4.99 Patreon. And I was just wondering if you guys would like that. He was talking about scalping really, really tiny altcoins. And this would be like bringing just a couple $100 to the table, like $100, $200 at the most. And what we would do is we would go in and we'd find really, really small projects and scalp. Actually, I don't know if I'm able to show it on the Discord channel, but Rico sent me a couple screenshots of some of the ones that he scalped. And like I said, for example, he started with just a couple $100 and he turned a couple $100 into $800 overnight. And then from there, you just play with the house's money. So with our Patreon group, I was thinking with that $4.99 loyalty package to add that little scalp signals. If you guys would want to be interested in that, like I said, it's the Patreon's $4.99 a month, but you guys would get some scalping signals of really small projects that we're getting into, like $100, $200. And like I said, he turned, I think it was $200 into $850 overnight, just scalping. So scalping, I think that's really cool. So like I said, that's going to be a possibility here really, really soon. So let's get to it today. Let's go to Market Watch, guys. Let's go to Market Watch. That is it for my little announcements. I'm selling XRP at 140. Good call. I think it's a long-term hold, at least for this bull run. I think XRP's got a long way to go in this bull run. Rick says hi. What's up, Rick? Good to see you in the house. I saw you on TikTok as well. Good to see you in both places. Polkadot, Chainlink, Synthetics are current buys. Solid. I mean, I think Polkadot and Chainlink will have better buys. I think Synthetics is pretty low. I think Synthetics is going to keep moving in the right direction. So if anything, I would probably go with Synthetics because Synthetics has got the most. I mean, I don't even think it's hit back up to that 24, 25 where we're sitting in February. I think, and Synthetics, I think, can go even further than that. So I think Synthetics is going to be one of the next up, especially a derivatives play. So man, KuCoin is going nuts, by the way, if you guys didn't see that. Let's see who's the top in the top 24 hours. Actually, let's check before we get all crazy with that. Bitcoin at 60K, guys. Bitcoin is at 60K. I think Ethereum hit an all-time high this morning as well, if I'm not mistaken. XRP at 138. Oh my goodness, why is it doing this to me? Why is it doing this to me? It is catching major ground on Binance. Holy crap. Cardano and the boys not even close. Cardano and the boys not even close. XLM starting to pump as well. Market cap and XRP still super large. Please tell me ADA is going to move. Yes, ADA is going to move fairly soon in my opinion. So 5 is okay. Buy at 40. Yep, man. That makes me kind of Polkadot at 7, Litecoin 8, Uniswap 9, Chain Link 10. But actually, Stellar right now, I think I saw, like I said, to start this TikTok, I think it was up like 5% in like 5 minutes or something. So that's pretty crazy. Appreciate it, AZ baby. Appreciate KSM looking really good. Is that Kusama? Where is that at? Where is it at? I'm trying to scroll down to it. 452. Yep. Looking good for a nice little pump. Nice pump, as Ivan on Tech would say. Vechain at 14.3, doing super well, like I said, guys. Theta quiet it down a little bit. Solana, man, Solana's been on a moon mission as well. They feel like Vechain. They've just been going up and to the right slowly but surely. Aave down 6% for the week, pretty solid, as well as Cosmos. I think some of these Cosmos, Avalanche, some of these Elrond, some of these quiet projects are going to start really, really moving. Egld at 206. That was one of our picks for April. Like I said, most of our picks for April doing very, very, very well. Looks like Engine down here at 319. I think we exited right around 320. Our position here in the 2K to 1 million challenge as well. The graph, I saw a little 5-6% pump this morning. I think synthetics, like I said, I've been talking synthetics since day one. I got I got emotional problems. I got an emotional attachment to synthetics. So I think it's going to be pretty solid. But Vechain price prediction by the end of this bull cycle. My original was about 55 cents. So, but I think it could get a little further even because of just that end. I think it could get to, that 35 cents ish towards the end of that parabolic run. And I think Vechain is going to have one of those parabolic runs at the end, just like every other altcoin during that last altcoin season. I could probably see it hit 65 or 70 cents for real. And like I said, I mean, I know that's 6x from where it's at right now, but these market caps are going to be massive. Cardano won't do anything till the end of the year. AZ baby, I disagree. Like I said, with Cardano, with the Gogan mainnet coming, there are some, like I think Bonley is going to Cardano. There's going to be some other projects that go to Cardano that's going to make it pop, like I said. So Cardano's going to move, and I actually think Cardano's going to move later this month. I really do. Like I said, it's kind of like Bitcoin. The longer it consolidates, the bigger the pop. So like I said, I think Cardano is going to absolutely pop here in the short term. Let's see. As we get down, KuCoin at 77, even passing our big homie Harmony. Harmony down here at 14.8. I think Harmony's starting to find its local bottom here, and I think it's looking like it's starting to, because as you can see here, just on this little chart, I could go in and dissect it a little more, but you can see that it's hitting this support level here. That after it's pumped, it hits support and it's slowly hitting that support again. So I think this would be good entry point for Harmony. I think Harmony's still a great project. Just had to cool down because it was going crazy. 89 Phantom's at 89. I think it's starting to hit. There might be a little starting to get towards that bottom support here too. I think Phantom will come to the upside as well later in the month. So filecoin, I think over the long haul of the rest of this bull run will do super well, in my opinion. What do you think of one in the next few months? I think one's gonna pop off, keys. I think, like I said, I think this is a good entry point as well. One of the things I can't even believe, $2 trillion market cap. Look at that. As well as the dominance. I think the dominance came back up a little bit. 54.9, right about where it was. Moving kind of parallel to the market, but Bitcoin's gonna have its big move, and when it does that, dominance should move back up. Like I said, Binance BNB going crazy. It's at its all-time high. XRP going crazy as well. Chainlink doing solid. So that's kind of the market watch here for today. Let's go ahead and go to the charts, guys. And the first one that I have up is Vechain. I have a Vechain video coming out at 2 o'clock today, guys. At 2 o'clock, it will be up for you guys. Just a quick quick video about why Vechain's pumping and all of that. So I'll go ahead and show you that at 2 o'clock. It is moving at almost 14.5 cents here. Let me update my 2K to 1 million challenge on Blockfolio. Yeah, looking super good. Here we're at 6,200. Like I said, we broke the 6,000. Look for HBAR and VET for Coinbase listing after the IPO. Easy money for Coinbase shareholders. Completely agree, Rico. Yeah, like I said, I can't even believe HBAR isn't listed already, especially with as business corporate-y as it is, and it's you know, it really checks. It's a really project that checks its policies. Like they're really paranoid about being good for business. So I can't even believe HBAR hasn't been listed. When it lists, I think that's the next big pump for HBAR as well. Good call, Rico. What do you think of Anchor debating investing? I think for this bull run it'll do solid as well. But I think there are other projects that'll do better than Anchor. So, but like I said, if you're looking to diversify a little bit, I think Anchor would be solid. Matic price prediction, being the sole layer 2, I mean the base layer 2. If Ethereum does well, I think Matic will kind of mirror Ethereum's success. So, like I said, as Ethereum keeps doing well, it's going to do well. But as the Binance Smart Chain keeps coming in here in PancakeSwap hitting all-time highs, BNB hitting all-time highs, Matic's going to be quiet, and that's partially why Matic is quiet, because Binance BNB is crushing. I think it found its bottom too. I do as well. Engine worth a buy once it settles from this Coinbase pump. Looks like it's starting to settle here a little bit, like in the low 3s, might be a solid spot. How would you invest 10K? Mike ZB, I could answer that here as well. Matic will 5x. Yep, that sounds pretty solid. VET consistent increase. I'll be holding it. Good work. PundyX coming. I want to take VET profits, but it means less VET for me and won't be able to buy it that cheap again. Yeah, isn't that frustrating? Yeah, I think Vechain is one of those projects where you just hold it for this bull run and just dollar cost average. I know you could take a little bit of profits and just dollar cost average after that, but I wouldn't move it unless you kind of know where you're going to go with it. We've had $900 worth of USDC here, just chilling. My instincts actually told me when we pulled it to put it in XRP, but my ego told me to chill. So turns out that would have been a pretty solid move there. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart, guys. Probably the most important chart, whether we like it or not. I want thoughts on MDX. God, I can never remember these tickers. I look at so many dang tickers. I've actually never heard of it. Maybe that's why I didn't click. I'll let it pull up in the background here while we're looking at. We're over here looking at. As you guys could see here, we were drawing this our little head and shoulders pattern, and it is right at that neckline right now. Hopefully we still keep moving in the right direction. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. But let's go here to the 1 hour chart, see if we see anything in the immediate chart. BTC coin might hit 70K at Coinbase IPO. I completely agree. Whether it should or not, I think Coinbase is gonna make sure that happens. That's just my opinion. So, but yeah, portfolio flying today. Good. BTC. What do you think of WTC? What in chain? Neutral. How do you think goes Cardano? Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think about Swipe? I'm neutral on Swipe. Melio. How do you think Cardano goes? I think in the next week here or so, week or two, I think Cardano's going to pick up. We're up 2%, and that feels like crazy, but it actually just felt like a stable coin here as of late. But I think Cardano will move, ladies and gentlemen. AZ baby, yes, manipulation. Yep, I completely agree. I think we're going to see a huge Bitcoin pump in time for the Coinbase IPO. And also, guys, there are the futures contracts that there's a big chunk of people thinking that 80K this quarter. So I think they're picking 80K. So I can certainly see that happening. But like I said, yeah, our portfolios are looking really good right now. I'm sure you guys' portfolio is looking really, really good. All-time highs on portfolio at the moment. Adam, yep, I actually took the words right out of my mouth. So that is good. I'm going to make sure I'm not neglecting our wonderful YouTube peeps as well. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. But no new questions, it looks like, on YouTube. So we're going to go ahead and keep moving. Let's go to the ETH chart. I know it hit an all-time high this morning, guys, which is fun. That's a good wake-up present. Gotta like the green days. Yeah, because the red days hurt. I'm still down 50K since March. On what, Melio? I'd like to know. What a great day to read some prices. No kidding, Stooks. Oh, dude, you're my favorite troll, Stooks. I love you, man. At least you come in and chime in and add to our lives, my guy. I appreciate you a lot. We talk a lot more about that too. Like I said, we look at predictions and stuff, Stooks. Like I said, I do have a Patreon, Stooks, man. You should be one of those $4.99 loyal followers, my guy. You get that's turning into my website, and Stooks, you get some exclusive content. So come on, join us. Crow sleeping, yeah, Crow sleeping. Appreciate you, Stooks. Maybe someday. Cool. All love, my guy. You're my favorite troll. AVX is a beast. Yes, I think both Solana and AVX great buys. AVX chart is primed. Yeah, it's been quiet. It had its big pump from January till late February, but yeah, Avalanche has been super quiet. I did some dumb futures trades. Damn, sorry, Melio. Maybe someday, Stooks, man. Appreciate you. XRP, Adam, I'm up over 200% in 5 weeks, killing it. I think engine is starting to settle now. That's just my opinion, but I think once the next rumor, Epic Games, like I said, I think Epic Games rumor is still coming, and if and when it does, I think that'll be the next little leg for engine. So, just my thought. What's your thoughts about Wink? Win? No thoughts on Wink. No thoughts on Wink, honestly. I think the gaming sector engine it has lots of potential long term. I do too. It just has kind of a cap because the gaming industry is only so big. The reason why a lot of people and I like derivative projects, why I like synthetics, Aave, etc., is because the derivative ceiling is so high. There's literally tens and hundreds of trillions of dollars to be spent there. That's why the ceiling is high. Same for Vechain. That's why Vechain's pumping too. Huge upside. So why is no one talking about HNT? Nice that it's about a big bag of SXP. It's awesome. XRP, guys. Okay, we can talk. I was looking at Ethereum here, by the way. Looks like a little consolidation here, by the way. At its peak, 2210. Go freaking Ethereum. Let's go. Up 4% for the day. That is good. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and check the 4-hour chart to see if we see anything, by the way. Nope, just moving in the right direction. Just the momentum wave moving up. So that is awesome. Let's go ahead and go to the news as well. First, I want to show you guys this piece of news. I'm going to actually show you guys this piece of news in our 2 o'clock video, guys. AVX it is, man. Thank you, guys. Yep, appreciate you. Had insane big bag of the graph. Meanwhile, waiting for the big pump of the project. Yeah, only up 5%. April's still good for XRP. I'm still holding despite the recent gains. Good for you, Kay, because I think there's going to be more on the upside. So considering HNT mining rig, try it out. Try it out, man. Miners are awesome. Pundy X all over the place. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster for Pundy. So here's the piece of news for Vechain. They're getting some enterprise level partnerships that are interested in Vechain. If you guys want to see what I'm going to talk about on Vechain, make sure you guys view the 2 o'clock video. Go ahead, go to Begin Crypto YouTube and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to our Begin Crypto YouTube channel. The Vechain news we're going to talk about is at 2 o'clock, guys. 2 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the front of CoinDesk as well. I believe there's a couple news articles I was going to look at. Past 60K, Ether hits new all-time high early Saturday. Up, we just talked about that. Was there anything with XRP? Was there anything? I thought there was SEC. Oh, that was the ETF that they were looking at. I was going to look at some XRP news, guys. XRP news. As much as I hate to talk about XRP, Binance not showing market caps or circulating supply. On what? Adam, I'd like to know. Do you think BNB will still rise? I think it'll be a slow rise as long as Ethereum, doesn't break out here and figure out the gas fees. BNB is going to continue to rise because I think a lot of the BNB is a lot less of the corporations, a lot more of the retail. This is retail money moving in BNB, in my opinion, simply because of the gas fees. A lot of people using PancakeSwap, etc., rather than Uniswap, which is built on Ethereum. XRP rises 30%. Rises 30% to 130 in Mad Week Dash. I was trying to see if there's anything else. CoinDesk says, we got a veteran analyst saying XRP's price can go a boatload higher. Veteran analyst Peter Brandt says, rather 50% this week for a market value of 37 billion. It's way above that now. I wanted to see what he was looking at. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So even the technicals were lining up with XRP's close. So it says, as we already flipped the 75-cent hurdle into support, weekly close above. So you breakout 330. That would open the doors for a rally to 330, an all-time high hit on January 4th of 2018. So I think it's going to go far beyond, guys, far beyond 330. I think if you guys saw my Vechain moving, absolutely. If you guys saw my video yesterday, 2 days ago on XRP, you got the prediction of 950. Right around 950 is where I think we're going to see XRP. So, but overall, nothing extremely new yet in the SEC with the SEC documents. Stellar pumping as well. Enjoyed your live stream. Catch you next time. AZ baby, appreciate you a lot, man. Join the Discord group, man, so you guys can learn a lot more there as well. What's going on YouTube? Do you expect a normal Sunday night dump? Or are we staying strong? Sundays have been tough, but like I said, this last Sunday wasn't all that bad. It was just Bitcoin consolidating. So honestly, it really wasn't that bad, guys. So that's what I'm looking for. I mean, I'm looking for a, maybe a small correction, but because these altcoins are flying like crazy. So as you guys can see over to our right here, you have the 2K to 1 million challenge. Like I said, Vechain pumping massively. Phantom's been up and down, but it's been a little quiet here as of late. I thought I saw some Phantom news that somebody posted in the Discord group today. I wish I had it, but it was just basically saying that that a lot more projects are getting added to the Phantom ecosystem. So XRP to at least 5. Yep, I'd agree with that. XRP predictions $9. I said 950. Man, whew. Yeah. XRP to 420. Oh, Rico, I like you, by the way. I just noticed you changed your handle from Rico Suave to Rico Crypto, man. I like that a lot. Hey, killing it. K-Smurf in the house. Is Holochain something interesting? Absolutely, but it's cooling down, man. Holochain's got to cool down for a minute. That thing's been pumping since forever. I feel like it has a Veracity. I've been hearing a lot about Veracity. Is it pumping right now? 12%. Oh yeah, it's pumping. 179 milli. Where can we get this thing? $45 million trading. Oh, you can. It is a KuCoin. You guys can go get it on KuCoin. Interesting. Good to know. Good to know for the future. Let me look at Veracity again. I forgot. Let me take a look. Vechain is on fire. Absolutely. What crypto should I buy right now, bro? I'm your fan. Nordic Common Stock Analyst, man. Cool. Good to see you in the house. Like I said, I'd probably go find, hold on, Veracity, the protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. Okay, so kind of a Theta's baby brother kind of thing. Interesting. I was going to check. Oh, XRP now contracting. Are they taking a little dip? I feel like people are selling ADA to buy XRP. Not necessarily. I mean, we've been sitting at 122 for a while, so people who've been buying and selling just keep swapping. I wouldn't say that they're selling that to buy XRP by any means. I think people are just taking some profits, selling some profits that they've been making in other projects and putting them into XRP. Some of the smaller projects. So I have to go, dude. See you around. Thanks, Get Freaky. Appreciate you a lot. Any spot some new tokens worth looking? Feels like people are selling ADA. Anyone spot some new tokens worth looking? Yeah, there are some peeps in the chats that are that are finding some really solid low caps here. But let's take a look over the past 7 days that are down. So my TikTok video of XRP saying no for April, I messed that one up because it turns out they're hot. But my other projects are doing super well, my April projects. Pundy, up and down, Dent, Hollow, those are all taking a break. Terra's taking a break, but I think Terra Luna is a pretty solid buy here at 15 cents because I think it's going to keep doing its thing. It was up at 21 or 22. So right now it's sitting down and settling down about 20-25% where it bottomed at. Harmony right now, same kind of thing. It's really settling down here at this 14 cents. Chili's as well, 45 cents. I think when the NFT, the next big NFT pump comes, and Chili's will be doing crazy. How do you find out when a coin goes on Coinbase so I can buy BF before it hits another platform? Coinbase just releases it at, like, you know, as rumors. But you can kind of speculate based on, good solid projects that have, the ingredients to be on Coinbase. Some, a pretty widely adopted project, one that, has its checks and balances, that isn't going to get in trouble with the SEC a lot like XRP did. Those are the ones that are really qualified for Coinbase. But honestly, you really won't know. Yeah, I messed that one up about XRP. Hey, my other pick's doing really well. Egld doing well. Frontier doing super well. Engine obviously did really well. But XRP will probably drop the dollar soon, maybe back to the 90s. Buy spree soon. You certainly could be right on that. I think there are going to be some people who are going to use and abuse XRP and just take profits, Rico. So Star Wars followed the host, man. Appreciate you a lot, Star Wars. But Harmony, Chili's, Luna, good buys, I think, in my opinion, right now. Not financial advice. If you take this financial advice, solely on you. Do not take this as financial advice. Take it for what it's worth. Cosmos could be a solid buy. Decentralized at $1, pretty solid buy. I think Matic, depending on what Ethereum does, is a good buy as well. So in the top 100, those are probably the projects that I'm looking at the most. I had XRP on Coinbase. I think I might try to increase my stake in EM. Adam, that's awesome. How do you find out about Coinbase? That's I just want to make sure I didn't miss any questions there. Did I miss any questions here as well, guys? I hate missing questions if I don't have to. I think you will regret selling ADA to buy XRP. Yeah. Well, like I said, I think Cardano is ready for its pump. If anything, I'd move some profit. If you're an XRP hater like me, if anything, I think I would temporarily move some XRP over to ADA because I think ADA's next up. So if you never got my Binance Spark airdrop for holding XRP, how do you get the airdrop? 1 or 2 more massive manipulations will take place from big players before the settlement. Yep, I completely agree as well, Rico. XRP is just good for that. Like I said, they dump on you all year, or at least during the bear market, they dump on you just to stay profitable. So that's why I say, XRP just rubs me the wrong way. But yeah, that's just me. So like I said, guys, that's where we are here. Like I said, just read off just some possible top 100 sleepers. Let's go to the top 200 though, guys. My top 100 sleepers that are quiet are obviously Cardano. But like I said, I think Luna's going to have its next run up soon. Harmony, Chili's. I think HBAR, Decentraland, Polygon are not moving as well as they could. And I think you could probably find a solid entries. 2 billion coins will be sold in May by the ex-founder. That is definitely true. I heard that as well because I think that's his last, right, Rico? If I'm not mistaken, that's his last. They gave him like a block of time, which is actually the XLM founder now. They gave him a block of time to be able to dump coins on peeps. So I think his last 2 billion can be dumped now. So are we going to see a dip soon? I think with this altcoin season we're seeing here, I think we're going to see Bitcoin skyrocket before we see a dip. So once Bitcoin hits a top, Snowy, by the way, it's me, Mr. Swing, just changed the name. Man, you and Rico changing the name on me now. Now I can't hardly find who's who. Damn. XRP founder dump. Yeah, Red Dog. Yeah, they dump all the time. They dump. That's why I hate them. Don't get me started. But yes, the one XRP founder that left for Stellar XLM. has $2 billion of XRP left that he can dump, and I think this time period now is the time that he can get rid of it. So there might be a slight manipulation there when old boy dumps 2 million XRP or 2 billion XRP on us. So there's that. Got through the sleepers. Let's go. What I was going to do is go to level 2 for you guys quickly. And like I said, guys, make sure you guys check out the quick Vechain video at 2 o'clock, just talking about some of the news that really helped Vechain and where we're looking at it for April. So any good coins to get on now, Swaggy? Like I said, to get into the top 100, when we were in the top 100, I think Harmony's down low, Chili's down low, H-Bar down low, Polygon down low, those say Luna down in that area. I think those are good buys for the come up. We're going to also take a look. We're going to take a look at the 101 to 200 right here as well. Some good projects that are down. Origin down 12%, but that's because they had the Coinbase. A lot of people liking Wink right now. Sandbox could be a good spot for some of you guys as well. I actually want to do, if I didn't do it, I think I did. I want to see down for the week. This is a little more consistently down. Wax is starting to come back, but keep an eye out on Wax. Golem down 17%. That's usually one of my top 200 picks for a little swing trade action. Alpha Finance down here. So you could find a nice little entry point into Alpha Finance if you'd like as well. Let's see what else we have here. But it looks like a lot of these projects that are down in the top 200, it looks like they're just kind of used and abused from this altcoin season of people taking profits. So that's kind of what it looks like to me. But overall, if you're going to find a solid project, Band's okay. Band protocol, that is. Not a big fan of Reef. Kyber solid. Looks like Kyber recovered a little bit already here. Wanchain moving in the right direction. Yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at. Let's take a look at page 3 here quick as well. So as I understand it, it's better to put money into crypto now than wait for a dip correct. I mean, it depends. Like, so, I mean, you can wait on the dip and get in. But I mean, overall, I think just getting some money into the game is super important, especially if you find some good projects like we're talking about that are good, like mid-cap gems. They're good mid-cap gems, and they're going to go up in this bull run. So like I said, I think catching small dips rather than or maybe like peaks and valleys rather than dips. Like getting in on the valley is better than waiting for a massive dip and getting back in and waiting for the recovery. That's just my opinion. What he's saying is some projects are down and have decent entry points right now. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying, S4. Thank you very much. That's exactly what I mean. Red Dogs love Vechain. Yeah, you do. We all love Vechain. We're in Vechain here. Not a big fan of Hex. There was one last night that I was looking at. What is it called? Govern? This one right here. I actually didn't think this looked too bad. Meter governance. Have you guys heard of MTRG? MTRG, meter governance. I kind of like the fundamentals of this project. It's at $16 million market cap, pretty small still. Let me see where you can buy it. Pretty tough to buy right now, it looks like. Gate. Yeah, it's pretty hard to get your hands on right now, but meter governance could be solid. If I was looking at it right, I wouldn't buy a little bit of Bitcoin right now. I'd definitely look at alt season babes. Yep. Yeah, I was looking at meter. I thought meter was looking pretty solid. I'm trying to think of any other ones I was looking at last night, but meter governance I could see being pretty solid, guys. So there you have it. There's some good entry points there, guys, over the next 24 hours. Sunday could be a little iffy. I think Cardano's going to move in the right direction. If anything, I think Cardano's going to still act as our wonderful stable coin, just in case things get a little rough. but I think the upside's still there. So we're gonna go ahead and hold that. Have you moved from crypto.com? Mary, we haven't yet. We're staking it. We're just staking it a little bit. We showed everybody kind of how the staking works, especially on that in that DeFi wallet. I'm not sure what I'm not sure what that price is, what our rewards are, excuse me, on our crypto.com, but there's a 28-day period where you have to wait before you can claim your rewards. The staking is flexible, so some would argue this is a good time to buy ETH still, gains to come. Yeah, I would agree with that. I think there are other projects right now that have more upside, but yeah, not a terrible entry point for ETH, because I think there's a really strong bottom here at about 1900 for ETH. So I mean, you're not, in comparison, if it could hit 2400, you're buying on the bottom half of where there's really strong support. So overall, as an entry point, I believe, I don't think it's a terrible entry point if you're trying to get into some more Ethereum. But once we're done staking Crow, we're probably going to get out of Crow. Hopefully we turn that, that $300 into about $400, or 375. We can go ahead and put that into a different project and tack it on somewhere. But I wanted to show everybody how that worked and staking works. So that's just me there. So guys, this has been Angel here, Begin Crypto. I gotta go ahead and run. Happy Saturday to you guys as well. Thank you guys for joining me on a Saturday. A lot of people don't like to join on Saturdays, but I'm glad you guys were here today. So Bitcoin at 60. Hopefully after this Sunday here, get into Monday, we're going to see some booming. And this is the coming week here of the Coinbase IPO. So I think it's going to be a crazy week ahead, guys. I'm going to keep you guys informed as much as I can with the news. Make sure you guys follow on TikTok for some good news. Make sure you guys follow on YouTube as well. 2 o'clock video, quick video about Vechain. I'm just talking a little bit about the news, price targets, etc. So go ahead, don't miss that on YouTube. Make sure you guys like and subscribe as well. Until next time, guys, I will talk to you soon. Join the Discord group, man. We're having good conversations in the Discord group. So until next time, guys. Like I said, by the way, shout out to Rico. Blew my mind this morning about some scalping and stuff. Like I said, some things I want to do with the $4.99 Patreon. I wanted to show some, like I said, maybe show some little buy signals and such for tiny alt cap, tiny market cap altcoins that are, that he's scalping. Like I said, Rico, you scalped like $1,000, $800, $1,000, like in 24, 48 hours, which is crazy. And I think a lot of people would be interested to have $100 and turn it into $450 in 2 or 3 days, and with super low risk. If you lose 100, you lose 100, but the upside is there. So, and then from there we can play with house money. So, like I said, I think that's going to be something that I'm going to implement here this week for the $4.99 Patreon. I actually might move that price down temporarily and do like a little sale or whatever to get people to join and show the signals from there. So just thoughts here, just thinking out loud. Hopefully, I don't know if anybody would be interested, but like I said, link is in the TikTok as well as in the YouTube description. So yep, he's on it. Absolutely. Yeah, I love that scalping of what he's doing. So shout out to you, Rico. So, okay, guys, XRP down 7% in the past 35 minutes. That's what I just got. So for all you XRP peeps, keep an eye out there. Until next time, guys, I will talk to you soon. Peace. Thank you guys so much. 2 o'clock, Vechain, YouTube. Don't miss it. Talk soon.